Welcome to this lesson on the present perfect tense in its negative form. Today, we'll learn how to say what we haven't done or what hasn't happened. This is an essential part of English grammar that you'll use every day. The structure of present perfect negative is simple. You take the subject, then add haven't or hasn't and finish with the past participle of the verb. For example, the subject is I, then we add haven't, and then the past participle like eaten or finished. This structure stays the same for all sentences. Let's look at the contractions. When we use I, you, we, or they, we say haven't, which is the short form of have not. But when we use he, she, or it, we say hasn't, which is the short form of has not. Remember, haven't goes with plural subjects and I and you, while hasn't goes with singular third-person subjects. Here are some examples with haven't. I haven't finished my homework. You haven't seen this movie. We haven't visited Paris. They haven't eaten dinner yet. Notice how haven't is used with all these subjects, and it's always followed by the past participle of the verb. Now let's see examples with hasn't. He hasn't called me today. She hasn't read the book. It hasn't rained this week. In all these sentences, we use hasn't because the subjects are he, she, and it. Again, notice that hasn't is followed by the past participle. Many students make these common mistakes. Don't say I don't have eaten. The correct form is I haven't eaten. Also, don't say he doesn't has finished. The correct form is he hasn't finished. Remember, we never use don't have or doesn't have with past participles. Always use haven't or hasn't for present perfect negative. We use present perfect negative in three main situations. First, when an action is not completed, like I haven't finished my project. Second, when an experience never happened, like she hasn't been to Japan. And third, when an expected action didn't occur, like they haven't arrived yet. These are the most common uses you'll encounter. Let's review the key points. Use haven't with I, you, we, and they. Use hasn't with he, she, and it. Always use the past participle after haven't or hasn't, and never use don't have or doesn't have for present perfect. If you remember these 4 points, you'll be able to form present perfect negative sentences correctly every time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.